Peace, everybody. What's up? How's it going? Do you know why? Look at this. Hey, do you like my Sandman? He's a cool guy. I played him yesterday on Spider-Man. Bought him at eBay. You know that? Oh, by the way, everybody, I need to tell you something. Do you know, everybody, be careful. Don't roll down the windows you driving. Be careful. Make sure roll up the windows. Everybody be safe. Don't drive down the window. You hear me? Don't roll down the windows of you driving. Cicada will get in your car. Look at that. Oh, you want to see Doc Ock? I'm playing my Doc Ock. I used to play my Spider-Man toy. But if I ask y'all something, if you want know, you gotta make sure everybody's safe. Fire's picking back up. COVID canceled. To say you don't have to wear a mask. Just want you to remember that. That's all. And I'm gonna let you know if you like everybody, which one you like? Do you like toys? Do you like GameStop? Do you like GameSwap? Do you like Game Plus? Do you like Video Store? We got playing games. We have arcade. You know that? Oh, by the way, I'm getting my phone for my birthday. I'll just let you know, everybody. If I use you know that you get a lot of stuff, you know. Just want to make sure. Hey, everybody, you think New Goblin's nice? Look at that. I like him. But he used to be Spider-Man. He used to be a goblin. Sometimes look at that. Here's Spider Parker. Just one minute, everybody. If you need more question, go subscribe to our channel. You know that, but just go subscribe everything. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And he's nice. So I'm gonna make sure he's nice. Just 1 minute. So guys, make sure leave a comment section below if you like GameStop. Do you like GameSwap? Do you like Arcade Legacy? Do you like Video Store? All that. Everybody. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. So I'll see you later, everybody. Oh, by the way, here's 1 minute. Please don't drive. Don't roll on the window you driving, everybody. Cicada will get in your car. Just remind me, everybody, YouTube. So see you later, everybody. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. So I see you later, everybody. Peace, everybody.